Hi, Jorge, it's Amanda. Okay, so I went ahead and determined obviously who your number one competitor for the area and for the same services, of course. And I'm just going to walk you through the whole process of how the entire internet online presence looks like, how it works, and so forth. Okay, so let's just jump right in here. So when your future customers are searching for your services and they enter into Google, so Landscape Bellevue, for instance, right? The first thing that shows up here is what's called the local map listings or the Google Map Pack. Now, ideally, we want businesses to be in one of these top three spots because that's what's instantly shown upon the search results. So let me show you what a Google business listing looks like. So this is the Google business page. Now, this is your number one competitor. This is Green Spaces. Now, they've got really good photos, lots of reviews, all of the information is filled out and so forth. So this is what it looks like. Now, this is really crucial because 30% of your Google traffic comes from this section right here, the local map listings. So that's a very important tool to have to optimize your business. Okay, so definitely something that Jorge's Landscaping needs for certain. Now, what's even more important and is just listed below this local map section is what's called the organic section. Now, these are all of the website listings. Um, like I said before, 30% of your business comes from up here, but the reason why this is even more important is because 70% of your business comes from down here. Now, ideally, of course, we want businesses to be on the first page because anyone searching for a product or service is only going to, 9 times out of 10, statistics show they go with someone on the first page of Google, 9 times out of 10. So it's really, really important to have a good, strong website that is fully optimized with all of the abilities that we're able to do to get you not only, in front of these customers right here, but then on the first page as well to get in front of all of these customers right here. So let's take a look. What I went ahead and did was I pulled Green Space's website so that I could give you an idea and show you exactly what they've got going on, okay? So they've got, a very well done site. It's got, the sliding headers, the adjustable images. They've got, good font, um, some good information. The thing though is this site is not outbeatable, but it definitely can be beat out. And here's the reason why. What Google does is Google crawls the internet 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And what they're looking for is two important key factors. Number one is the command content on the page. And so that's every single word included on the page. What they're also looking for is organic keywords embedded in all of that content. Organic keywords are the phrases that people are entering into Google to search for your services. So then when they have someone search for exactly what is listed on your website, then they match the two of you up together and your site obviously climbs up the ranks and becomes more powerful and more relevant. Now, I did run the numbers on this site, and they're only running at about 683 words. So they're not even, half of the way to where they should be. Again, Google wants to see 1,500 words. So what that means is that a good site built for you guys, maximizing that 1,500 words, like I was just telling you about, adding in all of those organic keyword phrases that I was just talking about as well, would put you in a great standing, to start climbing the ranks, to get on this first page of Google, and then, make your way up to beating them out. And then what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to show you my web crawler program because I want to show you exactly the performance that they're doing and, the numbers of what's out there and what you guys could be, maximizing and going after. So I know this is a lot of data, but let me show you here. The two most important factors here is this UR and DR. Now, what this is the UR is the trust factor rating and the DR is the power rating assigned by Google for this website. Now they're running 453 backlinks, and what a backlink is a shout out from, essentially a shout out from another website to theirs. And what a backlink does is that brings you exposure and that brings you credibility. Um, Now with backlinks, it's not all about having the most, quality is far more important than quantity in this realm by far. That's really important. Now they've got, embedded in all of that command content that I was just telling you about, they've got 571 organic keywords, meaning 571 of those phrases that I was telling you about that people enter into Google when they're searching for your services. They have those exact phrases embedded somewhere, throughout the course of their website. Now, with all of this being said, so their Google business page that's strong, and all of the elements. There's many factors that go into making these strong. So it's a matter of reviews, it's a matter of pictures, it's a matter of citations, all of the information being filled out and so forth. So there's lots of ways to create a really strong Google business page and then maximize it to to its top potential. So again, with them having that strong Google business page, with them having a strong website, again, they don't have half the content that they should. So that leaves an opportunity to outrank them and outdo them and take over their spot. But yeah, with all of this considered for green spaces, what they've got going on is an organic traffic rating of 737. What that means is that 737 folks every single month are getting on Google, searching for the services, the exact same ones that you guys offer in the exact same areas, and 737 folks every single month are clicking on their website, retaining their services, getting additional information, whatever the case may be. The bottom line here is that is a ton of traffic to be missing out on. Just in summary, one more time, like I was saying, getting a Google business page created for you guys, putting in all of the elements to make it as strong as possible. And then, of course, with a strong website, all of the command content that it needs, and then embedding all of those organic keywords that I was just telling you about would absolutely get you to where you want to be, and then start climbing the ranks, then get you on the first page of Google, and before you know it, your business could be overtaking and utilizing a ton of this traffic. It definitely, internet exposure is by far the most not only profitable but the most marketable way to go about getting your business out there. And it's just absolutely the best way around. The flyer marketing is a bit outdated. You just can't reach the volume of people, and push your business to the max, and make it be in the best position that it possibly could be. So if this is something that you are interested in pursuing, please do not hesitate. Definitely reach out to me. Um, I appreciate you taking the time to watch the video, and I sure hope that it's been extremely valuable for you. And I look forward to hearing from you soon.